How to check old chat messages on Facebook. First, open Facebook and tap the messenger icon. Find the conversation you want to check and open it. To quickly find an old message, tap the person's name at the top of the chat, then select Search in Conversation. Enter a keyword or phrase you remember from the old message. Messenger will show matching messages, and you can tap a result to jump to that part of the conversation. If you don't remember the exact words, you can manually scroll through the conversation to find older messages. For even older or archived conversations, tap the menu and check Archived Chats. If you need a copy of your available Facebook messages, you can use Account Center, Your Information and Permissions, export your information, and select your Facebook messages. Keep in mind that permanently deleted messages generally can't be recovered through Facebook. And that's how to check old chat messages on Facebook. For more Facebook and Messenger tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.